Hello mga guwaps! Dito tayo sa at the back of Carbon, second unit. Yun ang bridge namin dito, Sisilix. From here, going to near SM Seaside and then going to Cordova. Cordova to that place there is called Lapu-Lapu. So Lapu-Lapu yan at yun ang Sisilix. Ang daming bahay dito, no, di ba? So, taas ang hangin. The air is so fresh. Yes, yun. Puro mga negosyante yung ano dito. That bridge there that is going to Talisay. Then you can go somewhere there at the south road. Yung sa upper, that's Sisilix. From here, that's before Seaside, SM Seaside. It's going to Cordova, Lapu-Lapu or Cordova Lapu-Lapu. So yun. That place there is called Lapu-Lapu. The place is Lapu-Lapu. Maupon is part of Lapu-Lapu. It's big also. That is an island. I know. The island of Mactan. That's Mactan pala. Mactan and Lapu-Lapu Upon is part of Mactan. Kasi I remember Lapu-Lapu discovered the Philippines and he was there at Mactan. At nag-ano siya, nagiging intruder siya doon. Gusto niya i-convert yung Mactan, but the chief doon, yung pinaka matigas at yung makisig na tao ay si Lapu-Lapu yun. Gusto niya i-convert into Christianity, pero nakipag-away sila, hindi nila gustong ma-converted siya dahil they have their own style of belief, kaya nag-fight sila diyan, kaya tinawag yung may parang celebration sila, parang away sa Mactan, yun, basta yun, nag-aaway sila. Ang nangyari, napatay si Magellan, napatay ni Lapu-Lapu. So Lapu-Lapu was so brave. Parang ngayon ay ang mayor doon si Ahong, parang Ahong, but I have not seen here him or her. So that place there is the place of Mactan. It's a beautiful place at yan ang airport namin dito sa Cebu. So, ay, napaka-fresh na hangin dito. Yun. And that place there also, I remember, that's a Caltex Island. Yun ba? Pero i-develop pa yan. Parang gagawin din yung basta beautification din yun sa part sa island dyan. And I also heard na yung lagyan nila ng mga taxi. At parang may pala yung bang dito yung barko ba na boat na parang love boat na travel yan dito, nandun na mga boat tayo na gusto mong mag-tape, meron na tayo, parang love boat ba, but it is a luxury liner. Yes, mga guwaps, hanggang dito na kasi parang nabuboard na ako kasi I'm only the one who is here standing and lots of workers is here. I don't know anong trabaho nila dito sa City Hall, they're part of City Hall. Okay, take care and God bless.